gonna drop you.
Oh, fuck it. Oh, stop making me laugh. Oh my god, I gotta stop. We didn't make it. No. You good? Fuck me. Oh fuck. You want to check? You want to fix your seat?
Where though?
We'll go back where we're at.
Fuck no, I ain't trying to go.
Right here. Ugh. It smells like shit.
No idea what this. Don't flip me.
Okay. Now you got a ton of water. I'm over here dry as a bone. I got water all over my pants though. That's cool. Just bank it up, bro, and fucking get out and dump that water. Yeah. You're fucking soaked.
I told you. Whose idea was this?
I didn't think your shit was gonna be like that.
Can you get it out?
Really? You're stuck in the mud. Here, let me get over here so you can put the fucking key axe near me. Whose idea was this? It's still fun.
Oh yeah.
It's the learning. It's part of the learning process. Ah! Almost flipped over. I mean downstream.
Yeah. Dude, look at my fucking shoes, bro.
Can you hang your foot in? How'd you get muddy?
Huh?
How'd you get so muddy? I mean, I got no mud on me. I mean, I got a little bit.
Hey, there's a plug in the middle of your thing.
No. Don't pull it. Oh, you're. I stood your thing up. There you go.
Get off me.
Oh, you killed my momentum.
You never just have fun.
This is fun.
Trying to empty out over. Son of a bitch.
You get so dirty, bro.
Holy shit, how
Water getting in?
No.
All right, let's go.